Most AI app builders promise you the world, but leave you with half-finished projects and a pile of monthly subscriptions just to make something work. Base44 changes that completely. And Wix's recent $80 million acquisition proves this isn't just another flashy tool. Let's find out if it's really worth the hype. Base44 is an all-in-one AI app builder that handles everything from your first idea to fully functional, shareable application. Unlike other platforms that require you to juggle multiple services, Base44 integrates the database, authentication, backend, and frontend all in one place. Key features. The standout features that set Base44 apart are game-changing. First, pre-written prompts. Instead of staring at a blank box wondering what to type, you can click categories like expense tracker or chore scheduler and get professionally crafted prompts that actually work. Second, one-click styling with options like claymorphism that automatically merge design instructions with your functional requirements. Third, integrated backend with real database tables and Google authentication built in. No Supabase setup required. Fourth, visual editing mode lets you make live changes without rebuilding everything. And finally, export options to Zip or GitHub, so you're never locked into their platform. If you're finding this helpful so far, please subscribe. Let's move on to pricing. Base44 offers a wide range of plans, but the main monthly tiers are free plan with 25 message credits, starter at $20 monthly with 100 message credits, and builder at 50 with 250 credits. Pro at $100 per month with 500 credits, and elite at 200 with 1,200 credits. All paid plans include unlimited apps, backend functions, domain connection, and GitHub integration. The pricing reflects the all-in-one nature. You're not paying separately for database hosting, authentication services, or additional integrations. The pros are significant. Everything is truly integrated under one roof, eliminating the need for multiple subscriptions and complex setups. The pre-written prompts solve the blank page problem that plagues the other AI builders. Mobile responsiveness and professional design come standard, not as afterthoughts. However, there are some cons. The all-in-one approach means less flexibility if you want to use specific external tools. Credit limits can be restrictive for heavy users, and while the integration is convenient, it raises questions about data portability if you ever want to migrate to a different platform entirely. So in conclusion, Base44 is better for non-technical users who want a complete solution without the headache of managing multiple services. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and anyone who needs functional apps quickly without becoming a prompt engineering expert. If you're comfortable with technical setups and prefer maximum control over your stack, you might find other platforms more suitable. But for most people who just want to build and launch something that works, Base44 delivers exactly what it promises. If you're ready to try Base44 yourself, I've included my affiliate link in the description below. Using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Consider checking it out. Thanks for watching.